I am here to help you searching information on internet. Today's topic all about dark and deep web and explored levels of the dark web. Let's go to website. Warning, this post and videos are only for the educational purpose. We are not responsible for your mistake or we don't recommend you any activity. The post is about all about the dark and the deep web and how does it works or how to use, and I explain every level of the dark web. This post help you getting the knowledge about dark and deep web on the internet. So you like to get the knowledge about dark and deep web, so please read this post. Index of this post. What is the dark web? Why you should never visit the dark web? How to browse the dark web safely? Let's explore the dark web together. I explored every level of dark web. I explored the darkest level of the dark web. Chatting with a dark web hacker. I opened a $500 dark web box or dark web mystery box or dark web hard drive. Here you get what is the dark web and the videos related to that and articles about that with videos, and why you should never visit the dark web, article about that and videos related to that, the reasons why you should not visit the dark web with the full proof why, because it is not a safe zone from the internet. How you browse the dark web safely. Here you get the video about how you browse the dark web safely with all the tools, and how you browse with the article. We guide you properly, and here you get let's explore the dark web together. Here is the video where we explored the dark web, and I explored every level of dark web. Video about that where I explore every level of dark web. I explored the darkest level of dark web. Here is the video where I explored the darkest level of the dark web, and you should I think you should like this. Chatting with a dark web hacker, video about that where you see the chattings between I do with the dark web hacker, and I opened $500 dark web box. Here is the review of I open a mystery box worth of $500. Here you see the review of the mystery box. I buy mystery box from the dark web, deep web as very and the dark web hard drive. I think this post can help you for getting knowledge about dark and deep web on the internet. This video is only for educational purpose, so if you like to read this post, the post link in the description, and please share this post with your friend, and so they also get the knowledge about dark and deep web. If you like to read this post, the post link in the description, and please subscribe this channel, and what you want, please comment me what you want. I also add your question in this post as your desire. What you want in this post, please comment, and please subscribe this channel. I think you like this post and I need your support, so please subscribe this channel, and if you like to get more updates, then please subscribe this channel. I am from Internet Data Search Help Service. Thank you. Bye bye.